Hello, and welcome to Module 5, Gating. What is gating? Gating is simply employing strategies that ensure students are in attendance, actively participate in the learning process, and are not allowed premature access to the final exam. There are 3 simple rules of gating. 1. Do not allow access to the test until all learning activities have been completed. 2. Do not allow fast forwarding through videos, slides, and text. 3. Do not allow students to leave a video, an auto-advancing slide presentation, or a live class and come back later to take the test. The most common and effective methods of gating your course is the use of speed bumps. Speed bumps make people drive more slowly and deliberately down the neighborhood streets. A street without speed bumps encourages drivers to drive faster than they should and pose a possible danger to the neighborhood children. Without gating, dishonest students are enticed to bypass the learning process and just take the exam. This is not in any way, shape, or form continuing education. Some commonly used speed bumps include the following: slide presentations in which students must manually advance each slide only after the narration is completed. Mandatory pull-down menus that reveal additional information. Knowledge checks in which students must answer questions that test their understanding of the topic. In each of these cases, students are required to actively interact with the platform in order to continue with and complete the course and gain access to the final exam. It's time to take this gating self-study and find out whether or not your courses are properly gated. If your program allows students to access the final exam before completing all the learning activities, you are not properly gated. When students attempt to shortcut through your courses, they should receive a message like these following examples. If you allow students to fast forward through videos, slide presentations, and text, you are not properly gated. In this example, the Advance button should not be activated until the narration has been completed. If you allow students to leave a running video, an auto-advancing slide presentation, or a live class and come back later to take the test, you are not properly gated. Upon leaving the website or not participating in speed bump features, students should receive the following message: session paused due to inactivity. Gating, a process that requires students to be present and active during the learning activity in order to receive the allotted number of credit hours, is a critical element of continuing education. If students are allowed to simply pass a test to earn these hours, then it is not continuing education. It's merely verifying the mastery of previously learned knowledge and skills. Remember, 1. Eliminate access to the final exam until the learning activities have been completed. 2. Eliminate the fast forwarding features on videos, slides, and text. 3. Ensure that students must actively participate in the learning activity. This concludes our series on the foundations of continuing education. We hope you found these videos helpful. Included with this series is a course syllabus which contains performance objectives, references, and a short final exam. If you have any questions or comments about this video series, contact the Commission on Accreditation for Pre-Hospital Continuing Education.